Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how easily we can make a digital planner in Canva. Basically, digital planners consist of a lot of rectangles and squares, and when we group them together, we can call them tables. And I have created a video recently on how you can create amazing tables in Canva. So do be sure to check it out. You can simply search for digital planners in the search bar, and you will be brought to a digital planner template page. From here, you will be able to see a lot of pre-made templates which you can use. Some of these pre-made templates are standalones, and some of them are a complete set like this one. It has about 12 pages in this booklet. You can use that, or you can simply start using the standalone templates and from there build your digital planning book. You can use it according to your requirement, like if it is a daily planner, if it is a meal planner, if it is a fitness planner, social media planner, based on what is your requirement or what is your criteria, you can tailor it according to your needs. You don't have to worry about the specifications or the sizes of this workspace that you need to create. You can simply go to this create a design and then search for digital planner or just simply planner, and you will be given a lot of options to choose from, and from there you can see the specifications and measurements of them. So whichever suits you, you can select them accordingly. For this video, I'm simply going to use a planner, a simple one. Okay, just click on that and it's going to open up a new workspace for me. And from here it's going to be blank because I did not choose any pre-made templates. We can choose the templates from this workspace. Also go to the template section in your left hand corner, and from there you can just simply search for it. Since we came in using the digital planner, so it's already preloaded, so you can search from here. I'm searching for 2022 calendar or like a monthly planner, so you can search by months also. There will be a lot of options over here. I'm going to choose this and I'm going to see if I can find a similar style for other months. Okay, from here you can see these are all standalone squares, squares, rectangles, made up of a lot of squares, rectangles and stuff. So you can build them from scratch also. Okay, and from here if you actually click on it, you can actually see the name of this, and you can see that you can apply different styles to it. So if I click on the style, it can change the color. You can see that the color will change when I apply the style. So you don't have to keep it to whatever they have set it for you. You can change it accordingly. Okay, so I'm going to search for a different month, February now, and if you can find the same, will be good. Okay, we have it here. Okay, I'm going to add a page. I'm going to click on February. Now we have it here. Good. And we're going to add another page, search for March, and I'm going to add the March also if it has, yes, the same. We are going to be consistent, so all these January, February and March, we have it, everything is consistent. Now similarly we are going to find the other months and we're going to fill it in. I don't want to do all the way, maybe up until June or July you can safely do. Okay, April, I'm going to do May. You can see how relatively simple this whole process is. Okay, June. Okay, July. Okay, I'm not able to find July. Okay, I'm going to try and search based on the name of the previous ones. I'm still not able to find a July. So what I'm going to do is I will just duplicate this page and I will change the dates accordingly so that it reflects the July dates. So what we need to do is we need to adjust them. We're going to delete and add, copy and paste. So basically we're going to align them and basically change. I'll just fast forward this a little bit because it's basically nothing but just changing the dates. So once that is done and everything is made uniform and it looks cohesive, we are good. And now I'm going to change this to July. So this is good. Okay, and now we are going to change the name of the page. I want to change the name of the pages so that it is easy for us when we want to link the different pages later. Okay, I'm going to quickly change all the names so that it is easy for us to reference. Now I want to go to the elements, and we want to add a few rectangles and the sidebars so that you can actually add in reference materials like Jan, Feb, March and so on, so that when we click on each of these we will be able to go to the respective pages. So I'm going to search for a rectangle. Okay, this is good, and I'm going to rotate this and resize it so that it fits on my right hand side of the page. Okay, just rotate it 90 degrees and then expand it after you place it properly. Okay, fully expand it. As much as possible, we want to lock it in place so that it does not move, and we want to send it to the back. Okay, and then adjust accordingly. Okay, I'm just going to move this a little bit. Yeah, okay, just put it here. Okay, looking lovely. Just going to pull this down a little bit so that it covers the entire page. Okay, we are not quite done yet. We are not going to replicate this as yet. I'm going to change the color, and I'm going to add a few small rectangles. Okay, I have locked it in place so that it does not move as I add more rectangles on top of it. Okay, choose this, and it has a slight shadow, that's why I chose that. Okay, just put it in place. You can crop it. Okay, we just need the color to show, that's all. Okay, we're going to add a text box to this also so that we can type in the dates, type in the months. Okay, going to change the color. As much as possible, make sure you use uniform colors throughout your presentation or your book so that it will look wholesome. Okay, I'm going to duplicate these rectangles and I'm going to place one on top of the other, and I'm going to make about for this video I'm going to make about 6 of them till July. Okay, just roughly make sure that they are all uniform. You can turn on the guides in Canva, and these guides are super helpful as they will be able to help you align top, bottom, side, and you can even align it according to the different squares and rectangles as well. So it's super helpful, so make sure that you use them. Okay, once the tabs are in place, I'm going to add in the text. We need to make sure that all of them are in place so that we can add them as a reference material, and add the hyperlink so that we can jump from one page to the other just simply by clicking on the link. So I'm going to arrange it. Okay, you can type it vertically or horizontally, whatever your preference is. Okay, and then adjust your size of the font accordingly as well. Alright, so this is how it will look like if you want to arrange it vertically, or I can just simply arrange it. No, I think I will go for the horizontal one. I don't want it vertical. Okay, just adjust it. Okay, now this is good. I'm going to arrange it in the middle, and now I'm going to duplicate this 5 more times. Okay, just duplicate this, and once everything is positioned and ready, we can rename them according to the months. Okay, once again I'm making use of the guides to help me place them properly. Okay, we are almost done. Okay, now I'm going to just quickly rename these. So now I want to bring the month that I am on. Currently I'm on January, so I want to bring that tab in front, and I want to hyperlink all the others. Okay, so February will be hyperlink to February page. Similarly for March will be hyperlink to the March page, April to the April page, June to the June page, and July to the July page. So once everything is done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this entire side panel, group them together and select them, and then I'm going to copy and paste it on every single page. And when you do this, what happens is all the hyperlinks will be copied exactly, so that you don't have to worry. Now I'm going to add a few aesthetics to it to just make it look a bit more sophisticated, if you may say so. I'm going to search for eucalyptus, and maybe a small stalk would be good. I'm just going to place it strategically somewhere. Okay, and I'm going to reduce the transparency of this a little bit. Maybe if I move it behind, how does it look? Okay, no, I think I'll just move it in front and then reduce the transparency. I think that would be better. Okay, and I'm going to place it on the other pages as well, maybe in different positions, but just simply copy and paste it in all the pages first and then arrange accordingly. Okay, then I'm going to add in a front page, and I'll just change the colors according to my color palette of this digital planner so that everything looks cohesive. Just change the fonts also, and we want to download it. When we are downloading, we are going to download it as a PDF standard, because we are going to digitally use this. So we are just going to do it as a PDF standard. I'm going to download it. You will need an app or a software which you can actually read a PDF file. So I have a pro version of the Adobe Acrobat, and when I click on this, what I see is this. Okay, I can scroll down. Okay, I can scroll down from here. I can click on the hyperlinks that are here, and I will be able to jump to any page. You see, if I click on February, it goes to February. Click on June, it goes to June, so on and so forth. So if I want to like edit this, I have the option of adding the text. Okay, I can just simply go and click on add text, and I will be able to add a text. Yeah, just simply paste this over here. Okay, maybe it'll write something. Okay, maybe call home. Yeah. Okay, this is how you can actually digitally use the planner you have just made. So simply put, it's very easy. A lot of this is a repetitive work when you're doing the digital planner, so you just need to have a little bit of patience. Otherwise everything will go very, very smoothly, and you'll have a lot of fun creating this in Canva. So try it out. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.